Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the water level correction function on the Navionics Boating application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And you go to the layer icon at the lower left corner of the screen. Go to the water level correction button, and if you want to enable, just click to the next circle icon, and now this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.